DJN TV.
Correct ogbonge country people, una welcome to DJM TV News. My name na Stanley Okocha. Na me wan nakuna the ogbonge tori when don shele for this time. The United States of America don give their green light to Nigeria's Okonjo-Iweala to become the Director General of the World Trade Organization. Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, when be Nigeria's former Minister for Finance, get this green light from the United States government for one yarn when it come out from the office of the United States Trade Representative. The yarn talk say the Biden-Harris government belle sweet well to announce their pataki support for the candidacy of Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala from Nigeria to become the next Director General of the World Trade Organization. The yarn talk say Dr. Okonjo-Iweala go bring plenty no for economics and international diplomacy when she don get from the 25 years of experience when she spent with the World Bank and the 2 terms when she also spent as Nigeria former Minister of Finance. Mostly as she gets correct respect for her good leadership qualities, and this don prove from her experience as person when e be good manager of big international organizations when get different members. The yarn still talk say the Biden-Harris administration congratulates Minister Yo Myung Lee for the decision when she take to step down from the Director General of World Trade Organization position when she be the contest with Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. The Biden-Harris administration come praise her sake of say she be trailblazer as she be the first woman trade minister and the first person from the Republic of Korea to go reach this kind place when she reach so as she dey contest for the position of Director General for World Trade Organization. The country talk say so far for the selection process as the United States don observe reach, dem see say she really try for the race sake of say no Korean don ever fit contest and waka far as Myung Lee don fit waka reach so. The yarn come say the United States dey gidigba to see how things go siriri werere for the next part for the World Trade Organization selection process as the country don ready to work with the person wey go become the new World Trade Organization Director General. Inside the matter so, Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala don thank the United States of America for the support when dem don give her so far to become the World Trade Organization Director General. For her tweets when her tori man monitor, she come thank the United States Presido when e be Presido Joe Biden and im Vice President when be Mrs. Kamala Harris. She comes to use the opportunity take thank the Presido of Nigeria, Presido Muhammadu Buhari, and everybody for Nigeria sake of the support when they don't give her all this time. She comes to say she not forget her family sake of say na the family na really give her the first push when e take make her start the journey for the race. She comes to use opportunity take thank the Presido of South Africa, Presido Cyril Ramaphosa. She comes to thank the African Union, the European Union, other African leaders, the other leaders for the whole world. She can't thank them for all the support when they give her since she began the journey to contest as the Director General of the World Trade Organization. She can't use the opportunity again to thank Mrs. Yo Myung Lee when e be say e contest with her. She can't say the race is not easy, but thank God say yes, she now come remain sake of say the person when they contest with her so when be Mrs. Yo Myung Lee come step down for her. She come say she thank her for the courage, say na only courage na go fit make person to step down like that. Make we not forget say Mrs. Yo Myung Lee from the Republic of Korea na be the person when e be say former Presido of America, Presido Donald Trump, be get for mind to take get that position for when be the Director General of the World Trade Organization. Inside there so for that time when the race begin for 2020, former Presido of America, Presido Donald Trump, no gree support Dr. Okonjo-Iweala even as she come dey get upper hand because of the support when the former American Presido no gree give her. E come make the process come stop for that time sake of say na she come dey get upper hand sake of the support when she get from other leaders. But with the green light now, when the Joe Biden and Kamala Harris government don't give Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, e come mean now say yes, the selection process go continue. Mostly as e be say the person when they contest against her before in the person of Mrs. Yo Myung Lee come still step down. This one come make the American president really praise the Korean Republic former minister for trade as she take get that mind to take step down. They come still talk say with her stepping down, e come make the process come dey easy and they really appreciate am. So with this now, the coast don clear for Nigeria's Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala to become the next Director General of the World Trade Organization. And Nigerians don dey happy sake of say one of their own na wan become the new DG of the World Trade Organization. Country people, na there our tori reach for this time. Until next time when we go come una way again, we say una do well as una take dey watch us all this while. My name remain Stanley Okocha for DJM TV News. Una thank you.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.